Coming to the various fate of the various part of this heart tube, the different derivatives from each part of the heart tube. From the lower end, we can see there are the right and left horn of the sinus venosus. The sinus venosus will get itself will be converted into the smooth part of the right atrium, and this will be the posterior wall of the right atrium mainly. Further, the primitive atrium will be forming the primitive atrium. The primitive atrium is the rough anterior part of both right and left atrium. And the primitive ventricle will be forming the trabeculated part of the left ventricle. It is the rough inflowing part of the left ventricle. And further, the proximal one third of the bulbus cordis will be forming the trabeculated or the rough inflowing part of the right ventricle. So, trabeculated part or the rough inflowing part of the left and right ventricle are correspondingly forming from the proximal one third of bulbus cordis and the primitive ventricle. And the conus part of the bulbus cordis or the conus cordis is forming the smooth outflowing part of the both right and left ventricle. It is also known by the name infundibulum. And further, the uppermost part, the truncus arteriosus, will be forming ascending aorta and the pulmonary trunk having a septum in between them called as the spiral septum. So these are the different derivatives of the heart tube, so different parts of the heart tube.